the Asus ROG Ally 2. It is the most anticipated, most leaked, and quite frankly, the most dangerous handheld gaming PC ever conceived. For 3 years, we've lived in a world where the Steam Deck was the king of efficiency and the original ROG Ally was the king of raw power. But as we stand here in April 2026, the game has fundamentally changed. The rumors from the supply chain in Taiwan are no longer whispers. They are a roar. We are looking at a device that doesn't just want to compete with the Steam Deck 2. It wants to make your desktop PC feel like a paperweight. If you've been holding on to your original Ally or waiting for the perfect handheld to finally drop your hard-earned cash, stop. Everything you thought you knew about portable Windows gaming is about to be shattered. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the AMD Ryzen Z3 Extreme. For months, we speculated about what this chip would be. Now the benchmarks are leaking, and they are terrifying. We are talking about an 8-core, 16-thread monster built on the latest Zen 5 architecture, specifically tuned for 36-watt sustained performance. To the average gamer, those are just numbers. To you, that means the ability to run Cyberpunk 2077 or Grand Theft Auto 6 at native 1080p with high settings and ray tracing enabled, while sitting on a bus. This isn't handheld performance. This is laptop-class power compressed into a chassis that fits in your hands. Sony and Microsoft should be looking over their shoulders, because the ROG Ally 2 isn't just a gadget. It's a direct threat to the home console. But power is nothing if you can't see it. The original Ally had a great screen, but in 2026, great isn't enough. The leaks for the Ally 2 point to a 7-inch tandem OLED display. If you thought the Steam Deck OLED was beautiful, you haven't seen anything yet. We are talking about perfect blacks, a 1000 nit peak brightness that will make your eyes melt in HDR mode, and a buttery smooth 120Hz variable refresh rate. This is the holy grail. VRR on an OLED panel in a handheld. It means that even if your frame rate dips from 60 to 45 in a chaotic firefight, you won't see a single stutter. It remains fluid. It remains immersive. It remains perfect. Now let's address the biggest controversy of the original Ally, the battery. We all remember the low battery anxiety of the first generation. You'd get maybe 90 minutes of AAA gaming before the screen went black. Asus heard the screams. The ROG Ally 2 is rumored to feature a massive 80 Wh battery, double the capacity of the original. Combined with the new 4nm efficiency of the Z3 Extreme chip, we are finally looking at the 3-hour AAA standard. You can actually finish a flight from New York to Chicago while playing Elden Ring without reaching for a power bank. That is the freedom we were promised 3 years ago, and it's finally arriving. Let's dive into the secret weapon, the RAM. The latest FCC filings for the Black Edition ROG Ally 2 reveal a staggering 64 GB of LPDDR5X memory. Why would a handheld need 64 GB of RAM? Because of the GPU. In a handheld, your system memory is shared with your graphics card. By giving the Ally 2 this much headroom, you can allocate 16 or even 24 GB specifically to VRAM. This is a game changer for modding. You can load high-resolution texture packs that were previously reserved for $2,000 desktop